Marketing is always fluid, and that's okay. Like, so rather than get stuck in the minutia of like, do this particular marketing and do it this way, I try to zoom out and like help people think about the mindset of how to go about these problems. So at its core, I would argue that a business should always focus on their customer. In the same way that we just give credit to Google doing that really well, businesses should be obsessed with solving their customer's problem in the most meaningful way possible because that makes it really hard for them to be replaced. It really does. So if they try to compete as a commodity where anybody could do what they do, they will lose to the lowest price all day, every day. But if they're able to offer an experience, if they're able to connect with their customer on like a relational and community level, they will maintain those relationships for generations.